वेलकम टू मस्ती की पाठशाला। आज हम फिर आए हैं इस पाठशाला में कुछ सीखने। चलो आज सीखें दया और जेठा के साथ टेंसेस। सुंदर is going to come, Tappu. Mummy, we have been standing here for 2 hours. Tappu, Sundar had called and told me that he will be coming in a red car. Tappu's father, come and stand here. Daya, why have you called me here? I have to go to office. Will you not welcome my brother? Oh, every second day he comes. Mummy, I can't see Sundar Mama's car. I will call my friends. They are playing in the park. There, I can see his red car. Sister, I'm so happy to meet you all. Let us go inside. We have been waiting for you since morning. Hello, Jijaji. I knew you will be waiting outside to pay the fare of the car. Oh no, why should I? Tapu's father, can't you pay the fare of the car? Veera re, behna re. चलो अब हम लोग टेंसेस सीखें दया और जेठा के साथ. This is tenses in tabular form, and here we have taken up the verb sing. So let us see how we have to keep changing according to the tenses. So the first one is present simple. In present simple, we have V1, that is verb first form, and the first form of sing is sing or sings according to the subject. Present continuous is, am, are, verb plus ing form, so it becomes is singing or am singing or are singing according to the subject. Present perfect, we have the present tense form of has, so it is has and have. According to the subject that is there, we'll put has or have plus verb 3 form. So the verb 3 form of sing is sung. The three forms of sing are sing, that is verb 1, sang is verb 2, and sung is verb 3. Present perfect continuous tense has and have, been plus verb ing. Let's move on to simple past tense. Here in simple past tense, we have verb 2 form, that is the past tense form. The past tense form of sing is sang. In past continuous, it is was, were, verb plus ing. So it is was singing or were singing according to the subject. Past perfect is had plus verb 3. Here, verb 3 of sing is sung. And in the past perfect continuous, it is had been singing. That is, had is the past tense form. Been we always put in past perfect continuous. In any of the perfect continuous, whether it is present, past or future, been comes in between, and verb plus ing. So here it is had been singing. Simple future tense, we always put will and shall in will or shall in simple future in the future tense. And in the simple future, it is will shall verb 1. So here it is will shall sing. Future continuous is will shall be singing. As we all know, the different forms of be are is, am, are, was, were, and will be, shall be. So here we have will be singing. Future perfect has will shall, have, and verb 3 form, sung, always in future tense, we will have over here. In future perfect continuous, it is will, shall, have, been and verb plus ing. So it becomes will have been singing or shall have been singing. So this was the table that we need. If this table is understood by you very well, you will never go wrong with tenses. I have taken up the dialogues of Daya, Jetha, Tappu and Sundar. I have taken only a few dialogues. There are 10. Let us identify the different type of tenses. Number 1, Sundar is going to come, Tappu. Is going is underlined. We have to identify the tense. Is going is present continuous. We have just done the table. If anywhere there is confusion, you can go back to the table and check. Number 2, Mummy, we have been standing here for 2 hours. Have been standing. So this is have is present tense. Standing is verb plus ing. Whenever we have present perfect continuous, we always put a been in between. So this is present perfect continuous. Number 3, Tappu, Sundar had called and told me that he will be coming in his red car. So let us see the first underlined phrase, that is had called. Had called. Had is always used in past tense. Called is the verb 3 form of call. It is call, called, called. So here it is past perfect. And will be coming. Will be coming is future continuous. Tappu's father, come and stand here. Stand. Stand or stands. This is the verb 1 form. So it is simple present tense. The fifth sentence is, Daya, why have you called me here? I have to go to office. So the underlined phrase is have you called. Have called. You has come in between. According to the sentence here, it is an interrogative sentence. So have called is present perfect. I have already told you the 3 forms of call are call, called, called. It is a weak verb. So the verb 2 and verb 3 form remains the same. Number 6. Will you not welcome my brother? This sentence is an interrogation and this is simple future starting with will. Welcome is the verb 1 form. So it is simple future in interrogation. Number 7. Oh, every second day he comes. Comes is the simple present tense form. Number 8. Mummy, I can't see Sundar Mama's car. I will call my friends. They are playing in the park. We have 2 phrases underlined. Will call is simple future and are playing is present continuous because they is here. That means it is a plural subject. So are is used. Are playing verb plus ing. Number 9. Let us go inside. We have been waiting for you since morning. Have been waiting. This is the present perfect continuous form. Number 10. Hello Jijaji, I knew you will be waiting outside to pay the fare of the car. Will be waiting. This is future continuous. I hope you understood and this video was fun with learning. I hope you all enjoyed Masti Ki Pathshala and learned tenses. We'll be coming up with more videos on tenses and all the other topics also. Lot of vocabulary, lot of fun. Keep joining. Goodbye. Take care.